Hello, my name is Faith from Bismarck Technologies. Here we teach kids technology skills like coding, website design, robotics, graphic design, video editing and animation. One of the questions we normally get from parents is, why should my child learn technology skills at this little age? The truth is, technology is eating up the world around us, and it will be good for the children to be not just consumers of technology, but also creators of technology. And they can do this by learning different technology skills. These technology skills will equip them with 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Here at Bismarck Technologies, the children get 100% guidance from their trainer, taking them step by step into building and creating things based on what they are learning. What is that skill you want your child to learn? Is it coding? Is it robotics? Is it website design or graphic design? Is it animation or video editing? Holiday is around the corner and the children will be at home. What would you want them to do during this holiday? Would you want them to stay at home doing nothing? Would you want them to be roaming around? Or you want them to get that technology skills? We have 2 offices in Abuja. Why not visit us today at Suite SF5 and SF11 and Farah Plaza by MIB Plaza, 1st Avenue, Gwarimpa, Abuja. Or you can also visit us at Millennium Plaza, opposite NNPC Tower, Herbert Macaulay Way, Central Business District, Abuja. What technology skills would you want your child to learn? Bring your child to Bismarck Technologies, where they will get 100% attention from their trainers, taking them step by step into building and creating things based on what they are learning. You can also call our number 080-8899-6437. We'll be glad to have your children there.